Hey everybody, my name is Calvin Barrett, Strategic Partnership Manager here at Acro, and today I wanted to talk to you about our partnership with Google Gemini. Today's competitive manufacturing landscape is not just about building products. You're really crafting a complex customer experience. However, in many cases, the internal process is becoming quite bogged down. And the question is it keeping pace? Too often we see disconnected systems, manual bottlenecks in what otherwise could be a seamless operation. This is why AI is becoming increasingly important. Here at Acro, we've integrated AI or Google Gemini directly into our tech stack by leveraging our decoupled architecture to really reimagine what can be created. So if you think of it from CPQ or configure price quote, by leveraging AI, you'd be able to create customized bundles that would recommend products that you might be missing in a bundle, or bundling different features that you might not have thought about based on purchasing habits. This allows for purchasers to easily order what they need to and really focus on the core areas of their job as opposed to the manual process of purchasing additional goods. By leveraging Gemini in this decoupled approach, we're really allowing manufacturers to leverage all the core functions of e-commerce, ERP, CRM, and CMS to enhance the buyer's journey while using that AI to leverage that digital sales flow. So that's just a fraction of what it's available on Google Gemini and how we leverage it. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to reach out to our team and understand what kind of digital sales flows are out there and how our team can help begin discussing the transformation of your B2B online experience. Thank you very much.